Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're a returning subscriber, mwah, thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. So, in this video, I would like to share a Bath and Body Works haul with you. I have some new stuff. The new fragrance, Sunshine Mimosa. So excited to smell that because I haven't smelled it yet. But it's been a while, right? So you guys may or may not know I have been moving. I'm officially moved into my new house, and it's just been a lot of packing, unpacking, moving. Moving is so crappy. But once you get into your new home, it's worth it. So I was having some trouble today finding a place to film too because it's very sunny outside, and I was just like, oh my gosh, this doesn't look right here. Or I was trying to find a location that didn't have too much sun or too many boxes because I've still got quite a bit to unpack. So yeah, so I chose this location, a little random, but so yeah, without further ado, let me show you what I picked up. So I had some coupons to use up. I actually had my free item coupon, which I used that for Lavender and Vanilla Sleep. This is part of the aromatherapy line. It's a classic. And this is just lavender and vanilla. So nice. I love this. I love vanilla and I love lavender. And I've actually been using this in the body wash. Oh, and it is so fragrant. Like, it is so strong, and I just love it. And I'm like, yeah, I need to pick up some more of that. So I got a body cream. And continuing with aromatherapy, I picked up the Cracked Heel treatment in lavender vanilla. And this is part of the aromatherapy line. And I've been using this for years. I love this, especially with spring and summer coming. This has what is it? Glycolic acid. Yeah, glycolic acid. So it doesn't. I mean, you can smell the lavender and vanilla, but it's not as fragrant as like the body cream and the body wash. I have one in old packaging. It sort of smells like pineapples, and I still have that. But I was like, yeah, I need some more of that. And this retails for $13.50. So definitely need that for spring and summer, right? And then I picked up Clean Slate, and this is one of the newer men's fragrances. And this is the 3-in-1 hair, face, and body wash. So the scent notes are marine citrus, blue sage, and sandalwood. And I really like this one. The packaging is so pretty too, but it definitely smells aquatic, and then you get like that herbal note, which must be the sage and the sandalwood. It's just really nice. It's a very fresh men's fragrance, and I bought this because whenever my guests come to stay with me, I like to have, bath products and things like that they may need, fragrance mist, lotions, that type of thing. And I have 4 brothers, so no sisters, but I have 4 brothers. And so, yeah, this is going to be for guests. So really excited about that. It smells wonderful. And then so the new spring releases for Bath and Body Works, besides the bake shop, all of it is like fruity coconut. Like, everything has coconut in it, and I'm like, enough with the coconut. Like, I really don't care for coconut. You probably know that if you follow me. It's just not one of my favorite scent notes. And I tried the coconut lime. I didn't really care for that, even though I love lime. The coconut was overpowering for me. But I did go ahead and pick up coconut pineapple in the shower gel. And the scent notes for this are shaved coconut, fresh pineapple, and sugar cane. So it's coconut and pineapple, but I can do this in a shower gel because I'm going to rinse it off of me. I wouldn't buy this in the mist or anything. I mean, if you love coconut, totally check out the coconut line at Bath and Body Works because you will probably really like it. But yeah, it's just coconut and pineapple. So this is sort of refreshing for a shower gel, and I don't think I'll mind that too much. I am so surprised, but you guys, I actually picked up coconut in the fragrance mist and the body cream. And it's so ironic that someone that doesn't like coconut would pick up the coconut, the one that's supposed to be pure coconut, but I got the body cream and I got the fragrance mist. So the scent notes are coconut milk, sea salt musk, and fresh vanilla. And you guys, I really, really like this one. It's so ironic. I really, really like this one. Okay, so it's not just pure coconut. Okay, this has vanilla, a lot of sweet vanilla, and I love vanilla. So you get like this sugary vanilla, and then the coconut is just kind of hanging out there in the background. I really don't get sea salt musk. I mean, maybe it's my nose. I'm not getting the sea salt. Maybe a touch of musk, but not sea salt for me. Comment and let me know if you pick up the sea salt, because I don't, but I love this. I really, really like this. And I've been avoiding it, but I was like, just give it a try, Shauna. Just give it a try. And I actually really, really like it. So yeah, coconut. And I will probably pick up the shower gel and maybe another body cream in that too, because surprisingly, I really like that. So moving right along to Sunshine Mimosa. This is a new fragrance for Bath and Body Works. Can't wait until this is released in the body care line, but right now they just have the perfume spray, and I don't have the scent notes. It looks like a roller though. Let me take the plastic off. Okay. Okay, so this is actually it's a sprayer. It's not a roller. It's a sprayer. Really cute packaging too. I love orange. It's really pretty. Let's see. Okay, that spot smells. Yeah. Now let's try over here. This smells less fragrant. Ooh. Okay, now I really like that because I wasn't sure. I assumed that it would smell like the drink mimosa, which is orange juice and champagne, I believe. But this is really, really good, you guys. Okay, so you get champagne, and you get like this sugary, like sugar and citrus, like orange. But it also smells floral to me. That's really pretty. Okay, I really like this one, you guys. I really like this. And this is so cute. Like, I don't know if you can see the packaging, but it's like gradient shading from pink to orange. And this is perfect for your purse. I really like this one. Yeah, so I'm excited for Sunshine Mimosa. Let me guys know. You guys let me know if you've smelled this yet and what you think. Because I definitely get floral. So that's what I have for you. Oh, I wanted to talk about the cellophane bags. I love these for gifts. These are free in the store. So they have the larger one that you can put multiple items in. But I had never seen the skinny ones. And I think online these are $1. But the skinny ones are perfect if you just want to give like one item. Like a fine fragrance mist or a body cream or something. So really cute. They also offer ribbons, but I really like these for gifts. So I just wanted to mention that. And I did the buy 3 get 2, and I used my 20% off coupon. So I'm happy. That's what I have for you. Thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.